Sales training. Developing excellence in business comes from learning and applying the very best practices to your business and the people within it. How would your business benefit if its salespeople were applying the very best sales practices every day? Our sales training is for anyone within your business who has any level of responsibility for sales. This could be the business owner themselves, a senior manager, or someone employed in a specific sales role. And the training will provide them with the skills that they need to be the very best salesperson they can be. Sales training can be delivered on a one-to-one coaching basis or via training workshops. These training workshops are available in two formats, private or open. Private workshops are for businesses who would prefer that the training is just for people from their business, ideal if you require confidentiality, or for businesses who require 5 or more people to be trained, or of course both. Open workshops are where you and/or your team members can learn alongside other like-minded sales professionals. The training is run over 2 half-day sessions that are typically 1 week apart to allow what's been learned in session 1 to be put to use and then be debriefed in session 2. In advance of the training, you'll receive links to 2 online assessments to help understand communication styles and where your natural talents and gifts are for sales. The first session is focused on the principles and processes of selling and will cover the 6 levers that control profit, reporting and recording sales performance, the principles of selling and of a sales process, communication and rapport building, and your natural sales talents and gifts. The second session is focused on the practices of selling and will cover the ladder of customer loyalty, how to fully qualify opportunities, build trust, manage sales meetings, write quotations and handle objections, and will also cover how to avoid getting objections in the first place. So, how would your business benefit if its salespeople were applying the very best sales practices every day? To learn more about developing sales excellence in your business, please follow the link or contact us today.